Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to show you how to add a full reel to your Instagram story. So let's dive in. The first thing you want to do is to go ahead to your Instagram, and what we're going to do is we are going to find a reel that's about longer than 15 seconds, about 30 seconds or longer, and we are going to add it to our story. Now to add, you have to click on the kite icon and you click on add to your Instagram story. Now this story is 10 seconds long and I just need to find a longer story. So I'm just going to go ahead to my profile and I'm going to use this story. It is about 45 seconds long. You just click on the kite icon and click on add to your story. And as you can see, it has been added easily. This is because of the new feature Instagram has installed where you can add stories of up to 60 seconds long. Yes, you can add your story up to 60 seconds long now, and as you can see, I can add the usual link, I can tag friends, I can add more music, I can also pin my location, and I could just follow the process and add it to my story. And that is how you do it, guys. If you found this information helpful, please be sure to leave a comment, like, and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you guys for watching this video.